I can't spell, y'all. Y'all know I can't spell. 32K live stream. We in this bed. We in this bed. What you mean, guys? I know y'all don't see me. Y'all don't see. Y'all don't feel it. Y'all don't feel what I'm feeling right now, dog. Y'all ain't feeling what I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling myself tonight. Ah. What? See? I messed the whole thing up. See, this is, I blame y'all. I blame y'all. Cause I'm over here messing the whole thing up. I'm trying to tweet this out. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put this information out. I'm trying to let people know, yo, look, I'm out here. I'm putting this content out. We we hodling, like we true hodlers out here. They don't know about us true hodlers, man. They don't know about us true hodlers. They don't know about us. They never been here at all. They never been here. All right, let me stop acting a fool. Hey, what's good, y'all? Let me see what the chat's talking about. John Hill, what's up? You the ops because yo. I'm not the ops, bruh. I swear to God. I swear to God, I ain't. Look, y'all do what y'all gotta do. Y'all do what y'all think, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't listen to me. We just talking about crypto, dog. Don't listen to me. All I know is, hey, good luck. Good luck. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. What's going on? My Bitcoin. Hey, Bitcoin baby daddy. Let me stop, bro. It's been a happy new year, guys. It's been a happy new year. What's going on with you guys? Ginger ale ain't soda. Who? Sorry, like guys, I ain't even gonna lie, you guys. I'm looking at this and I'm like, Jesus, what am I doing? So give me like 2 seconds, cause I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it with my own eyes. Like, oh, I need somebody to braid my hair. I can't doing this no more. But this is expensive. Ooh. Indicate. What we indicating? I need some indicators. You know what I'm saying? Did y'all get that little money I sent y'all? I know y'all got that little stimmy. I know y'all got y'all little stimmy. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Y'all got that little stimmy. That stimulus check. Come on now. Come on now. Let me see what you guys are talking about in the comments. What up, y'all? What up, Marcus? It's all good. Hey, we hype all the all new all-time highs, man. It feels good. It feels both. I got some stuff and I'm gonna show you guys. Like, I'm a little, I know, like, you know, you always ride the wave. If it keeps going up, you just ride the wave, keep going up. And it keeps going up. But I can't be the guy. I can't be the guy that say, hey man, you think it's a good time to buy? I don't know. It's 32K. Next thing you know, it's 35K. Man, you told me I shouldn't. Man, look. I can't. Congrats from Portugal. Hey man, hey, we all congrats. What's going? See, how do I pronounce your name? Because I see Anjana. And so I'm thinking Anja, and I'm like, I'm dyslexic, y'all. I can't read. Gene, we made it. What you mean? We made it. We've been celebrating since 19, dog. But yeah, we made it, bro. We made it. Malcolm Rex, yeah, stimmy on the way. Bro, I got that. I ain't gonna lie, that stimmy hit. It was done. I don't know what a stimmy is, bro. I don't know what a stimmy is. Indica or sativa? What was? Oh, when I'm like reading up on stuff, it's definitely sativa. And when I want, when I'm trying to splack and just hang out and have somebody nice come over and treat me nicely, it's gonna be indica for sure. But man, I'm just talking to you guys. Yeah, oh damn, y'all all in the comments. Today's that day. This is how you know everybody in. You can call me Ann. All right, I'm gonna say Ann, but I want to say Anja like marijuana, but that, you know what? Just don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. That sounded so corny. But y'all know y'all got that little money I sent y'all. This was rolling around in Black Twitter, and then it had me rolling for the longest. Do you think Elon Musk is simply? I don't think it's Elon. I really don't think it's Elon that's driving the market. I think there are a multitude of things, but a majority, the main thing. And let me pull this up for you, because now you're gonna make me go on a tangent, and I gotta go on the tangent. Cause look, y'all. Ooh. If y'all know what Tether is, I'm pretty sure a majority of you guys know what Tether is. It's the largest stable coin that we have in the market, and it's the oldest stable coin it's been around the longest. Is it back 1-to-1 to $1? Nobody has a clue. But right now, a lot of people have been focusing on, if we push this by market cap, this is ridiculous. Yeah, Tether's been printing like crazy, and that bitch has been going straight up, like straight bubble territory up. And this is like, if we put this as a shorter time frame, if we just drag this to like maybe right here, it doesn't look so bad, but it does correlate to the price of Bitcoin. And if we go back to 2018, you can see how this stuff didn't really start. Like, there was an increments. They'll print, be straight. But it wasn't until literally March, pretty much Black Thursday, when everything went down, that's when the printer just kept going. And I think it's because I guess they didn't really, like, US government didn't really have time to be focused on them when they have why they had like, pandemic to take care of. And they just been printing like crazy. But shout out to Scotty P. Bro, see, this is how I know. Guys, this is how I know we're in a bull market. I just started and we got 33 people in here. 33 people in here. We just getting started. We're not even 10 minutes into the euphoria. I swear to God, it's euphoria. It gotta be euphoria, bro. This is why I be so scared. Ugh. But I you know me. I'm not selling till 100K. I'm not selling till 100K. They can't have it, dog. They can't have it from me. They can't have it from me. Yeah, I like them pictures. What was it? What's Scotty P's right here? Scotty P shared this with me the other day, and I wanted to make sure you guys, if you guys haven't, check out Scotty P. But he sent me this the other day. And if you guys don't know, Bitfinex is pretty much the controller of Tether. They've always controlled Tether, and their lawyer is looking like he's about to quit. Order on motion to withdraw as attorney. Like and this is like December 28th, bruh. In the document, like he's ready to go. He can't do it no more. It looks like the money running out. But how does the money run out if they just constantly print it? You know what I'm saying? The crypto Federal Reserve. How? Let me see what y'all talking about in these comments. Call me Ann. The struggle on Huddle, bro. By 1 million Satoshis. Look. The War Kettle. What's good, War Kettle? I got lemon crush. I got some lemon crush. I don't do drugs, y'all. I'm clean. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a little, my eyes are just a little watery though, but I'm brr, what's backing G? What's bracking? Oh, okay, what's good? I was about to say like what's brack. I'm like, oh my bad. Man, same old. I haven't even gotten to the price yet, guys. I haven't even started talking about price yet. It's been 10 minutes and we haven't even looked at what the price is doing. Well, that price is doing good. Y'all know the price is doing good. I don't even know why I gotta look. That little money almost worth 7. Hey, who got that little stimmy quick? That little stimmy worth almost 700 now. I know there's a Twitter. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, there we go. I know you guys. I hate people, bro. I hate people. This was 11 hours ago. The $600 stimulus check is now worth $674, up 12%. Bro, I hate it. People. Others have already. Nah. People already got their stimmy checks. I've been hearing people got their stimmy checks for like 2 days now, and I got mine this morning. So I know people got their stimmy checks already. Hey, Altcoin Daily, what's good? What's good? Subscribe. Hey, appreciate you coming back to the channel. Gotta love it. But yeah, dog. So let me see what you guys are talking about in the chat, cause now I'm distracted by the chat. Cause Altcoin Daily done came into the chat. Long term never. I'm long term never selling. Mr. Investor said he's never selling. Happy New Year's, cuz. Hey, Red Snapper, appreciate you coming back. Happy New Year's. Thank you. Hold on. We just gonna have the price in the background, cause yeah, I know y'all want to see this price. I don't even know why I'm playing. Jeez. I want to do the monthly, like. We closed last month. Like, we closed December. Like, this is the close of December, bro. I can't believe it. That's 2 months of price action. This is December. And within days we did this. Like, guys, this is why I'm a little worried. This is why personally I'm a little worried. Because we're just going straight up. Like, I know y'all have seen straight up charts before in crypto. And y'all know they don't end well. They don't ever end well. Personally, for me, I've never seen them end well. Happy New Year's. Congrats to the haulers. Hey, what's good? Hey, the reason why Altcoin Daily is here is because I'm real. Because I get respected in these streets by the big boys. The big boys know who I am. They know we went through the struggles of the bear market together. And yeah. So thank you, Altcoin Daily, man. Thank you for always coming and supporting. Appreciate that. Yo, what's good, Amish bruh? John Sutton, Doug. Menno, what's good? MT, Mr. Lodak, what's up? What's up? Frank, what's good? Crypto Q, I see you, dog. Appreciate you coming back. Always loving the support. Dorian V, what's up? What's Gucci Bitcoin VD? Hey! I think I'm gonna take that, man. I'm gonna take that. I really need to hurry up and start because my avatar on Instagram right now, if you guys don't know, I'm just being a fool. IG. And I know a lot of people don't. I know a lot of people on IG have no clue what this means. But, and so I'm gonna share this with you guys on live stream so you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys saw my video, my 2 videos that I put out. I have put out just like 2 interview videos because I took a nice little break for myself, just because I've been hodling a long time and I haven't really been like taking care of myself. So I had to just make sure I took a little break. I went to Orlando and I just, took care of myself and, I had a good time for the New Year's. So hopefully you guys had a good New Year's too. But yeah, so people don't know why I put my avatar as this. So hopefully I can show you without exposing the world. How did I know? How did I know? How did I know? I'm so glad. I'm so glad I moved this because I knew the truth. All right, all right. So now you want to play with me? Don't. Okay, I'm good now. I was getting pissed because it was not doing its thing, bro. 32K, but it's good because 300K is nicer. Just hodl. Hey, shout out to the donation. Appreciate you, man. You already know what it is. That's all we gonna do. This is all we gonna do is hodl. Jeez. Wow, 42 people in here. This is how you know the price is up. But anyways, the reason why I'm showing you guys. So if you go to charts, going back to what I was talking about. Boom. So if you are in DeFi summer, there is a lot of these like tokens. If you're on Uniswap here, if you're trading off of Uniswap, a lot of these tokens right here who are like unverified and whatnot, they have this little emoji that I actually put as my emoji because it was usually like these non-fake, like these, like they're supposed to be like tokens. Like this is the Uniswap token, Tether, USDC, like some of the biggest trading pairs on Uniswap are right up here, which is stable coins, to be honest with you, which is crazy. And wrap Bitcoin. But that's why I put my emoji, because during DeFi summer, people were jumping in and out of these tokens that have no logo on there. And this is just the logo that they have, but people were making stupid returns off of whatever some of this stuff is. Like a lot of this stuff is just boufale nonsense, man. Like there's just way too much. Like at the end of the day, there's just way too much boufale nonsense. But that's why, that's the whole, I guess that's the whole joke to what this is. Until I start doing some more editing. Anyways, price, any predictions for the year? Ooh, what you mean? I got some stupid predictions. Speaking of, so this is actually one of my biggest predictions. So now I hope you guys are watching. Hopefully I can take this out of my head. Okay, so yeah, my head's not in the way now. So back during 2019, guys. So this is a logarithmic chart. This is look into Bitcoin. And I like to look at this logarithmic chart because I like to look back and never forget where we came from, so that way I can make some informed decisions. So right now, of course I remember back here when we broke this logarithmic curve and everybody was losing their minds, but it's crazy how we held up to it for so long. Now, the last time when we broke up too high, when we reached the bottom and we came up, we actually hit this median. We got very, very, very close to this median line. And this median line at the time was about $14,000. And we never actually got there, but we got close. But of course, we retraced, came back down, and then now we're on our way back up. So now this median line is crazy enough. It's sitting like around $35,000. So I'm thinking like in the short term, we might, $35,000 might be it, just because of the last time that we actually broke out and got to this area. Now looking back at this, we usually break through it and then come back down and then retest, but I think this is way too early because this was back in, what was it, August, September of 2017. So hopefully we get something that repeats it, but I just think we're here way too early. I think we got here way too fast. And so I maybe, $35,000 just for a local, well, I don't like doing short term because you already know how short term is going to turn out. You're going to be wrong. But that's my short term prediction. Long term prediction, what is it? Like we got the stock to flow right here that can help us out. I had to pull that up. And so this has all been green throughout this whole time. And I guess you guys can see my face now since my head's not in the way. All this time it's been green that we can buy, and we're finally reaching that point right here. What is this? The model variance versus the stock to flow model. And anytime it's over above in this ready area, it's about, it's around the time to sell, because it doesn't look like a really good time to be buying. And we haven't even flipped that yet. So we haven't even pushed past that. So what I'm waiting for, and I'm just shocked at how much we're following this stock to flow model. Like it's almost scary to me. But we're still just in the orange. We're still just at the beginning. I think we're a little way higher than what we're supposed to be at, and that's what I'm just a little worried that we're way higher. But end of the year, like I remember I had a couple of interviews recently with a couple of people, and I've been saying the same thing around like summertime. I'm looking for like between 40 to 50K. End of the year, I'm looking like around 80K. Just being speculative. We're in the bull market already, so cross our fingers. No stimmy. Oh, you didn't get no stimmy? Man, my stimmy went straight. Like I didn't even look at it. And I'm just be honest, I'm just blessed to be able to still have a job, still, be able to keep up with my bills. And a lot of it has to do with just hodling throughout this whole like bear market. I had to essentially learn some like good saving habits, and I was forced to learn it if I really wanted to like stack up as much BTC as possible. And just being able to like take those kind of lessons of like saving and not spending, and like still have them even though the price is like skyrocketing. It's like it feels really good. So, just having all that. Now, that was a good question. Appreciate that, Altcoin Daily. That was a really good question. So we checked the prices, and right now, what do we? I'm gonna have to close some of these things because I see my thing won't be able to handle. Close that. Close that. Close that. We talked about Tether printing forever. We're gonna go to Sinlev. We talked about how the Tether attorney is trying to get out of here. Bitcoin profitable days. Everybody's profitable. Everybody's going crazy. Have a good time. Like everybody's just having a good time, smiling, man. I can't even be mad at that. But this pullback's gonna be something else. I'm really like we have to pull back. We have to pull back. That Bitcoin, that we talked about Russ. Well, we didn't actually talk about Russ, but I did like what was happening. So he's getting paid in Bitcoin. He's not getting paid directly in Bitcoin, which is fine to me. Look, let the headlines run. Good news, bad news, I don't care. But a lot of people think he's getting paid directly in Bitcoin, and he's really not. I was watching this video right here where they talk about the whole process, and what was it? Let me pause this. And something tells me you guys are going to be able to hear this. And I know for a fact you guys are probably not going to be able to hear this, but it's okay. It's cool.
Product Strike. Strike is the world's first Bitcoin native neobank. We're a bank built directly on top of the Bitcoin protocol, and we are able to perform things like sending money, receiving money, and issuing payroll on top of that protocol. We allow you to make Bitcoin payments with US dollars, receive payments, Bitcoin payments as US dollars, and process US dollar payroll for someone like Russell.
Right, definitely.
So that was pretty much what was going on with that. Get that music back flowing. You know what I'm saying? We got to get in the mood. Is Tether a scam? I'm not gonna have the Tether gods come down on me and tell me that, oh, I can't make videos no more. But Tether is a stable coin that's backed by 1-to-1, and it's no longer backed 1-to-1 by US dollars anymore. It used to be, then they changed their wording, so now they're backed by US dollars and a plethora of other cryptocurrencies and whatnot. So there's never been a full audit. Nobody knows the numbers. No one has a clue of how much money they have. Apparently, the New York AG, they got them for what, $800 million or so. I believe it's like $800 million. I think that's like pushing it or whatever. But all we know is they've printed well, here's an easy way for you guys to see it. And I'm gonna show it to you this way. Exchanges. Let's see if this. Wow. Since when? In fact, we'll just do Bitcoin. So, guys, you guys can pretty much see it on here. If we're looking at all the major exchanges with all the volume, look at what FTX, USDT, Binance, USDT. You know, you got FTX US and FTX regular. Somehow they have a lot of US volume, which is hard for me to believe. But a majority of like what? USDT. You got some Bitfinex, USDT, like the list goes on. So when people say that USDT is not propping up the Bitcoin market, it's definitely propping up the Bitcoin markets. Like just be real. Dogecoin. Oh, let me pull this up for you guys. Dogecoin. I guess we did enough talking about Bitcoin. Got that stuff. I wanted to show you guys this. This has been going around a lot, but I just wanted to show you guys and share this guys with you guys. So this chart was actually, when I first got in earlier, this was floating around, and Bitcoin was around $100 billion market cap, and it's what, right here, just this one little square. And now Bitcoin's sitting at what, $600 billion market cap. So if we're going back to the image that we were looking at, it's pretty much bigger than Berkshire Hathaway, and it's over here hitting on Microsoft, getting ready to hit for the next one. So, I mean, granted, we're comparing Bitcoin, a currency, to the size of companies, but it goes to show you how much money's flowing into Bitcoin and how it's valued. So this, like I said, this chart's really outdated because we were only that one square, but now we're, 6 squares with a little bit of square. So we're pretty much Microsoft right now. And it still goes to show we have a long, because, now we're starting to talk about currencies and gold and the stock market. And just being five bricks, man, we'll be all right. We're going to get there. Dogecoin flipping hard. All right, so let me show you how the secret of Dogecoin. I'm gonna close that. Leave that open because I wanted to talk about that a little bit. And last thing, just for you guys to be careful when you guys are out here like that. So interest in Bitcoin is spiking up again. Like it's spiking up higher than during January. Over here when we had that little spike. So if we, I'm over here talking nonsense. I gotta be. So right here, you see how we had this little top right here in June of 2019. Looking at the trends, this was the top right here, and now we even blew through that interest, which of course, because we blew through our all-time highs, and now interest is starting to come back. But I'm waiting for something like this right here. I'm waiting for like the hype to die down and then to come back and die down and to really skyrocket and blow through this out the window. But right now you guys can see just in the US where it's getting the most hype: Hawaii, Nevada, California, Washington, and New York. So good on that. Let's look at Doge. Y'all want to look at Doge, so I'm gonna look at Doge just for you guys. Is this a good chart? No, this is not a good chart for Doge. Cause y'all over here doging it up. Where is my Doge? Cause I don't want to get a new Doge. Come on, stop playing with me. Whatever. DOGE. Poloniex. No. Doge, UTC. How far this one goes back? This goes back to 2014, so that's good. And then we're gonna do like bomb. So this is the beauty of Doge that people don't know. So this is Doge on the Bitcoin chart. So speaking to my miner friends, and my miner friends always tell me, you always buy Doge under 20 Satoshis. Anytime Doge gets under 20 Satoshis, that's when you buy it up. So you guys can see right here, it got down to like 16 Satoshis. You know, anything down here has been hovering between 20 and 16 Satoshis. And even down here, it was at 30 Satoshis. It didn't really actually get down to 20. And then I remember this was the TikTok pop-up. Y'all remember the TikTok pop-up pumping up that happened earlier this year? That was that. And then now we're coming back, and we hit under 20, and we were sitting under 20 for a long time. And then it pops up. So compared to Bitcoin, you know, Doge did 153% in a day. Let me do that. Yeah. Doge did 153% in a day. Please. This is how you know it's alt season. Just to let you guys know. When Doge starts pumping, you know it's alt season. Or at least alt season's coming up. Now, that's just Doge to Bitcoin. Now, if we do Doge to USD, I don't even know if I have that right here. I'm shocked I don't have my other Doge chart. DOG USD. And we'll just do Poloniex. Oh! The filth. Oh! And we're just gonna do the daily chart. I just want to see what happened in the day. God. Bro, that's almost 200% in a day. Nah, bro. I'm good on that. This alt season's gonna be legendary. Doge too much for me, right? Kenzie said the other day, I don't even know what this means anymore. When they printed another 200 million. Bro, I don't know what it means anymore. They just print money at this point. Let's see, Hawaii, wow. Oh no, not Dogecoin. How you not like Doggy Coin? Come on, you know you like Doggy Coin. Isn't that a meme coin? Isn't this a meme coin? Yeah, it is a meme coin. That goes to show you how sometimes I don't take this space seriously, because yes, it is a meme coin. Yes, one Doge always equals one Doge. But see, the funny thing is, and the difference between Doge and we got a lot of these DeFi coins and all these moves that's gonna happen. But to be 100% honest with you guys, Dogecoin is stuck around and it's consistent. If I go back to the Doge, and I believe this is the oldest chart we could probably get. Doge is consistent, and that's why people like trading it. It's consistent. Man, what the fuck is this chart? It's Doge, bruh. Doge is consistent. Hits the 20, comes back up. Hits the 20, sat down here, comes back up. Now these pumps are getting weaker and weaker as time goes on. But it doesn't mean you can't make a consistent good trade on it. Unlike some other coins, like if I pull out, and this is just like what? B and B BTC. We'll just go BNB BTC. Like, look at BNB BTC. Like, there's no consistent pattern. It was going up and then it just started crashing versus Bitcoin, you know? But since Doge has been around for so long and it's been able to like ride ups and down with Bitcoin, yeah, that's why. But like, look at this. And I'd be trying to tell people, like, sometimes you have to really like look at these altcoins versus Bitcoin, because you don't realize, like, sometimes you might just be losing, bruh. Like, losing really, really hard. Speaking of, this is my, what is it? This is the Bitcoin dominance, negative Bitcoin dominance chart. So if I pop myself out of the way, pretty much the lower this goes, the higher Bitcoin dominance go, and the higher it goes up, the more money is flowing into altcoins. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've definitely been feeling the pain in altcoins right now. I've been stacking up on alts because they can only go down for so long against Bitcoin. Granted, a lot of these alts are still beating out the US dollar, but a lot of these alts is not competing with Bitcoin. So what's the point of holding on to it if it can't compete with Bitcoin? But I'm waiting for this nice little rebound, and I believe this rebound's gonna come because people are like, euphoria is going to set in for Bitcoin. And when euphoria sets in for Bitcoin, that's when these alts are really going to go stupid high, because they're going to be done playing with Bitcoin. It's all good. These people need to take the volume out of Doge and put it in a real coin. Well, you tell me what a real coin is. Put that in the chat. Oh, no. Doge. I feel like I missed something. Yeah, the company strike. But let me know some coins let me know some ADA. You guys are gonna be mad when I start pulling these coins against Bitcoin. ADA BTC. Where we gonna get ADA BTC at? What's the best exchange you guys think we should get it at? We'll get it on Bittrex. So this is ADA BTC. We'll do the weekly. This is ADA BTC, y'all. XMR sale. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. XMR, that's my jam, bro. You know what I'm saying? XMR. If you guys don't know Monero, we'll do Poloniex. Ooh. Oh, good God. See, that's why I'm like all these alts is hitting like support ranges of, like, looking back here, like, this is the time to be buying alts versus Bitcoin. Like, it really is. Because they have to just survive. They really have to survive. I want to know, are you guys mining Monero or are you guys actually picking it up? See, the thing is with Z Classics, let's see. Z Classic is another privacy coin. Zcash. What's going on with this chart? Is it just been going down against Bitcoin? Bro, I don't know what it is, but bro, this chart is, yeah. Let me try. Okay. Well, even the Binance one is definitely just continues to go down. I think Zcash just has too much inflation on it. Dot's about, let's check out Dot. DOT. What hype is coming for Dot right now? I want to know. Somebody leave it in the chat. I'm gonna do the daily. Oh yeah, Dot did a nice little rebound. Yeah, about 60%. Hex is a winner for sure. I'm not even gonna lie, I ain't even mad at Hex for doing, because A lot of you guys made money off of Hex, and so as long as y'all making money, I can't even be mad at you guys. Yeah, but Dot's doing this thing. Had to get it on Binance. But what we want to see is we want to see it actually hold. Like now it's at a level, you see back here it was doing this thing, and all right here it couldn't hold it, and so it got rejected coming back up, and now it's sitting on it holding it again. I'm not a TA dude, but I just know how to look at these charts and just be seeing it. VeChain. What's VeChain's ticker? Vet. Like I'm trying to show you guys, like all these things are getting crushed. Ooh, so now VeChain be doing these moves. But y'all can see, right, VeChain's doing the same thing right now. It's at a historical support level. AC had like, it was resistance back here. It was support all here. And then once we broke it, we broke out and went off. Now we came back to it, and we have to make it support, because if we don't make it support, we're going to come all the way back down to what, 39 Satoshis and whatnot. And mind you guys, like I said, I'm doing all this versus Bitcoin because all I know is from July of this year to now, you could have been holding Bitcoin. So you lost out on pretty much 78% gains on Bitcoin just by holding on to VeChain throughout these past 6 months. Nah, Wody. That's what I'm telling you guys. Like, alts are meant for trading. That's it. Alts are meant for trading. You trade these alts. You make these, like, when these run-ups come, when you see these things go straight up, and I be trying to tell people, when I see these altcoins go straight up, I'm selling. I'm taking profits. I don't care if this is going to be the next Chainlink or the next whatever, or the next whatever. Dog. I don't care. I know I've experienced it for a fact. Like, these alts do not keep up with Bitcoin in the long run, but they do make some ridiculous gains within like 2 to 3 months, like every time. So that's why I'm like, trade these alts and stack up some more Bitcoin. That's all you got to do. Because really, alts are for, and I hate to say this, but alts are for the dumb people coming into the market, not understanding what's going on, and not understanding that you're not supposed to be holding alts for a very long time. But that's just the truth, and I be trying to tell like people, but that's just the truth. That's what alts are for, because people think they missed the train on Bitcoin, and they jump right into alts, and you will make money. People looking at Litecoin. I need a good. Let me see if Bitstamp's got a good chart. I think Bitstamp should have a really good chart of Litecoin. Nah. The Bitstamp, what? LTC, BTC, and let's try Bittrex. Did Bittrex have a lot more history? I think everybody got pretty much the same history. But yeah, this isn't a time to be selling Litecoin. Just to be real with you guys, if you guys are looking for yeah, Litecoin's been doing well, but how is it doing compared to Bitcoin? That's the real question. How is it doing compared to Bitcoin? And right now, compared to Bitcoin, it's not doing much. And so let me actually show you guys, because sometimes I feel like it's hard for people to actually notice it. So we'll just say from what, like December 24th to now, right? We'll just say December 24th, right? So we'll hit LTC USD, and it doesn't really matter where it's at. So LTC USD from what? We're going to say December 4th. Was it right here? We'll go like right here. So from December 4th to now, it's up 77%. Almost 80%. We'll round it up to 80. All we got to do. And so what we said 80, right? December 4th. Where you at? About right here. %. Round up to 81%. Boom. So you guys can see the difference. Like it's slightly beating out. Well, it wasn't even slightly because Bitcoin was still outbeating it. So you still would have made more gains in Bitcoin than being in Litecoin. But of course, what people see and what people understand is they see this. They see Litecoin at $138 and they're like, hey, it's up there. It's been killing it. And it has been killing it, but you saw the difference between the two charts. So when it comes to USD, man, everything's, especially all these cryptos, everything's beating USD because USD is continuing to go down. AGI, I'll stop right there. AGI, is that a token? I feel like AGI is not a token. Singularity Net. I see. Singularity Net's been around for a while. I will say that. What was it? It came out like, ooh, look at this. The chart. It's been beaten down. AGI, BTC. What you gonna do, AGI, BTC? It's looking like all the other alts. It's either gonna make support here or it's gonna break down and keep going lower. And I'm betting that it's probably gonna go lower. But if I do what, AGI USD, I'm gonna do Binance. I mean, like I said, bro, compared to USD, a lot of these things is like it's popping. Looking like it's making support in this range down here, and it wants to go higher, but it looks like it just keeps getting rejected. It hasn't spent much time above here, so this would be like a rejection point. Another point would be like right here, and then of course the last one would be the all-time high. Now we're gonna see what whales are gonna push this up, because I'm pretty sure whales are gonna knock this up for sure. All right, now let me see what these chats is talking about. Good men. He say the truth. Altcoins are for newbies. They don't understand the game and lose after FOMO. Yeah, that's the 100% truth. And if people don't, I be trying to tell people that, and they don't get it. They just want to go straight into altcoins, and I'm like, all right, just get ready to be a long bag holder when you're ready to make them returns back. Just to be honest, ride the wave of whales. Hell yeah, that's all you got to do. And the crazy thing is, a lot of people don't understand. The more we scream alt season, the more the whales see that, and they see it on Twitter, they see the sentiment, and they know they're not gonna pump no bags yet. And then when it gets to that point of like, oh my God, you'll be stupid to be holding alts right now. You'll be crazy. Like they just keep going down. That's when you want to buy. And it's really hard unless you're dollar cost averaging into alts and just catching the bottoms at the, and catching them all the way back up. But like I said, alts are for newbies, and if you're ready for that game, just know that you better become ready for that game. Let me see what other coins you guys gonna show. But I did want to show this. I was looking at this right here. If you guys don't know what this is Senlev. I know you guys saw me do my DYDX tutorial. That's been getting a lot of views on my channel recently. I guess people are airdrop hunting. And this already has a token out. So just to let you guys know, this already has a token out. Ain't no airdrop. So, I'm not even spelling it right. SYNLEV. So this already has a token out or whatever. So don't think that you're going to get an airdrop from it. It's actually on the downtrend right now. And it's, I'm not really actually going out to buy the token. I want to use the platform. So what the platform is, you can stake and you can do all that, but you don't really need the tokens for that. What you can do is you can get the 3x BTC and the 3x ETH tokens. So I'm not gonna connect right now, but what you would do is you would connect your wallet and you would buy these like ETH bull and ETH bear tokens. So instead of like putting in like a 3x long like you would traditionally do, instead of doing a 3x long like you would traditionally do on DYDX like I did the tutorial, you would just buy a synthetic token that's like 3x long. I know if you guys have ever used FTX, and I'm pretty sure maybe not a lot of you use it, but and I know Synthetics has it too. Yep. Are you the one that low key be talking about it all the time? Low key be saying, bruh, my dudes, they've been on this Synthetics. No one has a 3x token right now, decentralized. Yeah, because so then I want to know like how is this? I know FTX does have it, but it's they're centralized, so that doesn't work. I've been checking out Synlev, and I was reading, and I thought this was pretty much decentralized, but SYN. Oh wait, so you're talking SYN equals Synthetics at like $10 million market cap. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying now. I see what you're saying now. See, but no, MG Tao investor, he knows what he's talking about, because I know you guys have been on Synthetics, because low key money been telling me you boys been on Synthetics for a minute. But yeah, but they have this bear bull token. I'm gonna try it out, see how it is. I'm not, what is it? I'm not airdrop hunting with this, but I want to actually try it out because a lot of people don't know this kind of stuff is out here. And because we're already ahead of the game, when stupid money, and I'm trying to be honest with you guys, when stupid retail money comes in and tries to use DeFi products, which I think a majority of them are not going to make it, they're going to be buying like bull tokens on ETH. And what I'm really waiting for, and I know everybody else is really waiting on this too. Yeah, this is what I'm waiting for. You guys know that the CME group, they're gonna have their ETH futures. What is it? February. I forget what the date was. I feel like it's gonna be on here, but it's not. Oh, it's right here in front of my face, like an idiot. February 8th, guys. I'm telling you guys, I'm longing into this. I'm longing into this, and I want to short after this, just because of what happened to Bitcoin. But then I'm scared because I think the opposite's gonna happen, because I feel like everybody's doing this. I really do feel like a lot of people are talking about this when it comes to crypto. They're stacking up longs, waiting for the CME to get launched, and as soon as they get launched, they're like, everyone's gonna short. So I'm a little like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna ride the wave. That's why I think like ETH is going to its all-time highs, especially with that coming up. Like this is like the real last hurdle for ETH. $800 is like it's it, and then after 800, guys, pop. We're like, just like how Bitcoin was, it's gonna take like a month maybe. And like I'm telling you, I think we're gonna hit like 1500, like right when the things comes out, and then probably gonna send us back down. But what was it? If I pull up ETH, and then but you see how ETH is doing the same thing as all the other alts. It's sitting at a point where it has what, support, resistance, support, it broke it tried to come over, it got resisted, we chopped up, it was support for a long time, we popped off, and now we came back down to it. So compared to Bitcoin, we're gonna see, but it's looking solid right now. It's looking legit solid. Wow, I kept up with 50 people. Yo, smash the fucking likes. Like I don't even supposed to be cursing in the live stream, but smash up the likes, dog. Cause it's been a while since I've had this many people sticking to the stream, the screen. But definitely check out Senlev. And I know a lot of people are on synthetics. But you guys should definitely, if you guys are into futures derivative liquidity protocol, you guys should definitely check out synthetics. Like they've upgraded a lot this year from where they've used to be. Like from where they really used to be, they've upgraded a lot. Hey bro, what's good? What's good? Anchor. I was looking into Anchor. Check out the Anchor ETH token. Is that another like? Your gateway to Web3. They got the usual. They got a lot of Binance promotion, which you know what I'm saying. Binance is gonna get their hands in pretty much everything. It is what it is. Oh yeah, they got their ETH2 staking solution launched. See, and I just want to see how they've been doing since. And I want to be sorry, y'all don't see it. My fault. But Anchor, that's what we're looking at. But this is what I'm looking at. So I want to see how they're doing. I remember guys, I was talking about this for a little bit, about how Rocket Pool and how they had their staking, and I was excited for it. But I knew one thing: as soon as staking came out and they didn't have staking, I definitely sold some profits because I had to, bro. Because I knew for a fact that I saw Coinbase said they had their staking live. I saw Binance said they had their staking live. And I thought to myself, why would people want to stake with Anchor? Why would people want to stake with Rocket Pool if they can just stake on their exchanges and do less work? The less, especially for the noobs, which are probably not staking at all, they're going to do less work to stake. And when I saw that, I'm just like, what advantage does Rocket Pool have against a Coinbase or against an Anchor, other than they're gonna provide their token to them? You get what I'm saying? Eat or be eaten, bruh. And so this is why I be like, these coins are good for trading, and it looks like it's trying to keep a solid bottom right here. But you also got to analyze, like, how is the space moving? Another great example right here, and this is like, and I can prove it to you guys. This is one of the best performing videos on my channel about the whole Kyber network staking. But even with Kyber network, when they had their hype and, you know, the staking came out, look at when the staking came out. Usually at the top when the hype was there, and now from then they've been crashing. But to be honest, the reason why KNC is doing so bad is because what? There are DEX. And there are DEX. And everybody knows what's the most popular DEX right now. You know what I'm saying? If you can't provide liquidity, if you can't, you know, do that kind of, if you can't do this, I'm sorry, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. And so their token's been getting destroyed because they're not Uniswap. But they've been around longer. I don't even know if they have better technology, but they've been around longer. But they can't keep up with Uniswap. There's no vetting process for Uniswap. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I be trying to tell people, altcoins are meant for trading, and you have to continue to analyze your altcoin to see if it's relevant over time, because I've just shown you two examples of Kyber Network getting blown out by Uniswap, and then RPL getting blown out by exchanges and all these other products. So just be mindful of that when you guys do it. So, dude, my first leverage long on DYD got me walking on eggshells and tripped over, right? Bro, that's why I'm trying to check out these bull tokens, bro. I want to see if, like, You know what I'm saying? Like Huobi got the bull token, and if I put this over here, move my head out the way. Huobi, all these like Huobi, FTX. So, they're not decentralized enough. Kyber, good. You think? Oh, so all the token sets use Kyber? I didn't know that. Hold on. I did not know that. Where do I find that? Say hello to V2. V2 audited by blah 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 blah. Flexible portfolios, generate yield, blah 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 blah. Choose how it works. Rebalance, reduce begin users, frequently asked questions, what to set, custodial. I'm gonna have to look up. I'm gonna have to look up where they say they still use KNC. But sets is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. I do have the DeFi Pulse Index token. I do have that. I've been staking that. I think I've been farming some index with it. But wow, their allocation. But you guys can see how they're heavily invested in synthetics, Uniswap, Aave. They've reduced their Yearn exposure. They reduced their maker. They were heavy on Yearn. They definitely had a bigger exposure to Yearn recently, but it looks like they've been changing it up a little bit. I ain't even mad. Ren had a little bit of hype. Let me see what you guys are talking about. Can't see you come back. They're more than just the decks. They have tokens. Okay, how did Doge killing it behind? How is Doge killing it? Doge has respect. Doge has history. That's what a lot of people don't understand. History versus those Polonics, right? Doge has history, and it's pretty consistent. You know what I'm saying? Doge has some serious history, and it's pretty consistent when it comes down here to these lows. And that's why people buy them. And not only that, but Doge is also a very good liquidity for Bitcoin whales. Doge allows them to do liquidity and move around. What's dip? Let me see what dip is. The IP. Is this Etherisk? I haven't even looked into this yet. Too much hype on around it. How long has it been around? Oh, hell no, guys. No, I'm not buying into this right now. I'll wait. It looks great. I'm not gonna lie. The chart looks like it's been killing it since July, and just been on a tear, and it's on the way back, making new all-time highs, which is great. It's great to see new all-time highs, but I'ma chill. I'm gonna let it come down. Maybe I'm gonna let the hype. Yeah, this is definitely a Chico pick for sure. I know it all. I'm chilling. I know the Chico picks, bro. I can't like if I didn't get in before the Chico video, I'm good. I'll wait, because if it's a good project, the hype is gonna die, and there's gonna be an opportunity for me to get in. So that's why I'm chilling on that. But I have to look into it, because I don't just buy stuff that people's like. That's a good way to get wrecked, guys. Don't just buy it because Chico talked about it. Definitely like start reading through it and see what's the purpose of the whole dip thing, and don't just listen to Chico's videos. Like really click on stuff and like read it. I know that's pretty difficult for a lot of people, but like you guys have to, because. And this is no shots on Chico, but not all of Chico's picks are gold. Like, it is just the fact. There's no way that can happen. Is this doing this again? Oh, you're doing this. How? I don't even think I've been on. Wow, I've been on for an hour and 4 minutes. Guys, I can't. I didn't even think I'd be on this long. Oh, you can. Y'all gotta remember. Y'all gotta remember. When it comes to links, it's really hard. Only if you're an admin, you'll be able to drop a link or whatever. Love you, bro. Keep it going. I want to keep it going, but I. So you guys want to know a secret? So you know. I gotta yeah, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do that tonight. It's been a minute, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Thank God for the price going up. I'm kidding, dog. I'm kidding. I swear to God, I'm kidding. But oh, my fault. You went in. You did ask about that. Let me do this before. Let me check this out. Because you definitely shot out a tip for that. Appreciate that. You didn't have to tip me for it. Union. Okay, so. Ooh, this is low. Oh, Jesus. How long has it been? So it hasn't even been around 30 days. It had a nice little pop. It's coming back down to the mean. Only thing I'm probably it's another governance token, and I'm just a little worried about governance tokens right now. Let's see what it is. Oh, thank you, because I was gonna go in, but yeah, just going about. It's only been around 14 days. It had its hype period like early. It's been going down ever since. It's looking better down here than it is, but I would wait. I'd wait for it to keep going down and for no one to be talking about it and honestly to see something get built. Oh yeah, no, you're welcome. Let's see, Union Finance. Okay, so they've got a couple of things. I want to know what their purpose is. What is their purpose? DeFi protection delivered to get safer from here. Unions are corners full stack protection reduces risks and costs of DeFi. You can buy tailored protection. Okay, so it's insurance. It's just like cover. Okay, cool. It's about a little R5 for just shits and giggles. But yeah, so this is DeFi insurance, it looks like. There are a couple tokens like this. You've got Union. But just from a first glance, I'm seeing this is like DeFi insurance. I don't know if you heard about what happened to Cover recently. I wonder if Cover even recovered from their good gosh. Thank you. Oh, nah, they haven't recovered. Jeez. And I think they're actually getting a new token from what I hear. But that's what nobody no how come nobody talks about the titty coin anymore? You trying to get me look, you trying to get me no. But guys, this is another insurance one, and this one came from the Yearn. Like this was part of the Yearn protocol team, but hopefully they get a new token coming back. ICX, Uniswap, Anchor, Kyber, Union. But we'll see how this goes. Definitely do a little bit more research, but the fact that it's been out for so long, just UNN. It's just been out for too like it's just too soon. You know, it's just too soon. I'd be honestly, I'd wait a little bit. I'd wait for it to like make a bottom and then start going back up, because at the end of the day, even if you get like, how low could this go? What is this price? Like a cent? Even if you get it like, under a cent and it comes back to a cent, at least you're catching it before it goes back to 3 cents, So I'd wait on it if you actually really, really like it. Where's majority of the volume coming? Yeah, of course, it's all coming from Uniswap. So it's a full Uniswap project. You got some ballots, you got some other exchanges. I mean, you can probably play the exchange listing game as well. The price goes up as it gets listed on more and more exchanges. So, it gets more liquidity so that it can be seen more. So that's not too bad at all. But, just be careful before you do that. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Yeah, because I know they got hacked like when they first got in. When they first talking about cover when they first launched, they were having issues. What am I looking at right now? As I told you, I be trying to like keep my bags like simple, and y'all be trying to get me to buy some like crazy stuff. Hold on, cause y'all know I gotta pull up my wallets. Chainlink is an easy one. I got some ETH, Chainlink, ETH, Uni. These are a lot of coins, guys. I'm really spread apart like differently, but I got some coins. I got some Biddle. Do your research before buying any of these. So let's see if you guys can see. So I've got this. I've been staking this on Uniswap liquidity pool because I see that it has really low volume on Uniswap and it's a majority on Uniswap. You get what I'm saying? It has really low. I don't think you guys get it. This is a really low market. This only has $2 million worth of volume. And it's a really low market, so I'm like taking like stupid risks. But I've got this sitting in a Uniswap pool, and I paired it with ETH. See how this goes. So be careful, y'all. But this chart's looking good, and I'm using this for a trade because I'm waiting for this to come back up to its all-time high, and that's a pretty good trade, guys. Like under $1, and it goes back up to $4. I can make some serious gains off of that, but that's gonna take a while. So I'm just holding on to that for a while. I got some EWT. I bought this one pretty high. So I've been dollar cost averaging back down into it so I can reduce my cost basis. I got some XRT. I'm actually I got this one in a liquidity pool as well. I got this one on the Uniswap liquidity pool as well. Thank you to Scotty P on that one, cause thank you to Scotty P on that one. My screen is blurry, but my connection says it's great. ETH. I got some iExec. It's not doing that great, but it's I got some iExec that's been chilling. It's a smaller bag than the most, but I don't know. I'm waiting for it to make support around 70 something cents. You know what I'm saying? Make support around 72 cents and then go back on a tear. But we'll see how this goes. I know they got some news coming up in February that I was looking at. So that's what's up. I talked about Chainlink, talked about that. Oh, this is one I know you guys don't wanna. I'm scared to share this one with you guys, but I'm gonna share it with you guys anyways. And just be mindful of this one, because this one is definitely one that, and this is gonna be the last one I share with tonight. So this is right here, APY Vision. This is like really, really low, guys. It's really, really low. Really, really volatile. Barely any volume. And all the volume is on Uniswap. So it's going to be hard for you to get in and out of it whatsoever. But the reason why I pull it up is because just like how you have DEX tools, this is almost like a DEX tools, except it's not for trading, it's for your liquidity. And you can like you can use their like services and whatnot, and it'll show you like all these different. So right now I've just got the basic $100 and then the NFT plan, which I'm not looking too far into these right now. I'm gonna see if I can put this on dark mode. Oh, I gotta clock in and whatever. But this is essentially for the different pools that you're in. You can track all your different pools, and you can see just like liquidity gain, liquidity mark, gas and trans exit fees, all that stuff. But like I said, this is still experimental. You can see it's not even that pretty yet. But I'm gonna just look at it and watch it for a while. But I do have a very, 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 very small bag in this, just so I can play around with it just a little bit. I just got some GRT, which I'm a little pissed because I feel like I bought GRT way too high. I didn't jump into the FOMO. I didn't want to get into the FOMO, but I'm gonna wait to see if my bag goes down 50%, and then I'm gonna probably get another bag of GRT. But that's just a couple of my bags, man. I had to share it with you guys. Yeah, I told you guys it was a really, 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 really low market cap, but I gotta head out, y'all. I gotta head out. I just wanted to make sure you guys, saw my face. 32K, we lit. I actually got videos I'm gonna make. I'm actually making more consistent videos for you guys. I'm gonna be trying different like DeFi apps. I think it's gonna be a series called airdrop hunting, where I'm gonna just use these different DeFi apps to just like airdrop hunt and see if I can catch anything good. But as I use all these different DeFi apps, I'm gonna try to explain to see, or at least to my understanding, to understand like what this DeFi app is supposed to do and why is it different from anything else. You get what I'm saying? But no, guys, thank you guys for always coming back. Thank you guys for always checking out the stream. Thank you guys for always supporting. I didn't even expect you guys to be here. Airdrops. I didn't even expect you guys to be here like that. But man, I'm about to head out. I'm about to get this work done. I'm about to take care of some business. Other than that, check me out next time. Take it easy, dog. Get ready for these videos, though. All these videos. For real, for real. Man, what was that one thing that I was talking about?